Zoom will be the most simple and practical cleaning tool you own. It can clean all the smooth surface of objects. Every time you need not worry about the blurred mirror and wet wool towels after bathing. Every time you need not be annoyed with the table and the sink with water dripping. When wiping the glass, you need not fear of all water stains. Also, you need not be afraid of the dirty towels in the toilet, and you need not confront with the embarrassment that water, coffee, wine, fruit juice, liquid sprinkling on the earth or on the table. Cleaner Zoom creates a neat home, furnishing life for you. Cleaner Zoom also can wash your car. The layers of the mist on the window that blur your eyes will not fret you anymore. After washing the car, you need not use a rag to wipe the car body over and over. Cleaner Zoom creates a safe and comfortable driving environment for you. Of course, Cleaner Zoom is a good helper for your work. You need not worry about water and coffee flows everywhere because of manual mistake to overturn the cup. Cleaner Zoom creates a comfortable working environment for you. The working procedures of Cleaner Zoom are 2-in-1, namely spraying cleaner and a sucking switch in one. When you use, first you press the switch of cleaning liquid spraying. Cleaning liquid through the nozzle of atomizer sprays evenly to the object surface. Second, you press the power switch, as brushing the switch as sucking the switch to the switch collection bottle. Convenient and efficient, refuse two-step work. In addition, due to the unique rubber blade design, Cleaner Zoom can directly suck water on the smooth surface, as wiping as drying object surface. Meanwhile, to realize no stripes wiping off the surface. Besides, Cleaner Zoom are wireless-handled products with rechargeable lithium battery, so there is no wear procrastination in use, and it can proceed 25-minute continuous cleaning each time after fully charged. And this product is small and portable, only 700 grams. Pull storage bottle out from the container and jump the switch when the switch storage bottle reaches its limit. After the cleaning work, Cleaner Zoom is also very easy to clean, without repeatedly scrubbing cloth and mop, etc. Reduce the tedious cleaning work to its limit. At a slight click on the button, you can enjoy the life and work in a clean and dust-free environment.